If a person has a prior felony conviction, do they have a right to possess a gun? I'm attorney Kristen Curry. I've been a criminal defense attorney here in Arizona for the last 26 years. Now, people always hear about the United States Constitution, the Second Amendment, I have the right to bear arms. Well, there is limitations to that legally. And one such limitation is if a person is a convicted felon and they have not had their rights to possess a firearm restored. In Arizona, if a person is convicted of a felony and they haven't had their rights restored and then they're caught possessing a firearm, they can be charged with misconduct involving weapons, which is a class 4 felony, simply because they possessed a gun, even if they were doing nothing else wrong. So what can be done? Can a person with a prior felony conviction get their gun rights restored? The answer to that is yes, in most circumstances. Now, Arizona law says that a person who has a prior dangerous offense conviction cannot get their firearm right restored. If a person has a serious offense that was a prior conviction, but it's not a dangerous offense, they have to wait 10 years before they can petition the court to get their gun rights restored. Any other case that's not a serious offense or dangerous offense, typically you have to get your gun rights restored, or you can get your gun rights restored after you either complete a prison sentence and you're absolutely discharged, or you're let off probation. You petition the court in Arizona where you were convicted, asking the court to reinstate your gun rights. It can be done. So talk to a knowledgeable criminal defense attorney if you have any questions about gun rights. Now, that conviction doesn't have to be from Arizona. The conviction could be from another state, and Arizona, if you're caught with a gun in Arizona, it can be treated as if it's a conviction out of Arizona. But wherever the conviction is, you have to go to that particular court to get your rights restored. If you have any other questions about a prior felony and whether you can get your gun rights restored or any other rights restored, email me, give me a call, and we can talk more.